Welcome to your study session. I am here to guide you step by step through the math concepts you need to conquer your exams. For generations of students, sitting down to prepare for crucial exams like WAEC, NECO, and JAMB has been a shared rite of passage. Today, you have tools like QandAhelp.com to make that preparation clearer and faster. Look at WAEC Mathematics 2026, question 31. If 2 to the power of negative n equals x, find 2 to the power of n. To solve this, we use one rule. A negative index means we turn the expression upside down to make a fraction. By applying this single rule, an intimidating algebra problem becomes a predictable series of steps. Let's look at the core equation isolated. We start with 2 to the power of negative n equals x. Using our rule, we convert the negative exponent. 2 to the power of negative n becomes 1 over 2 to the power of n. We substitute this back in, so our equation reads 1 over 2 to the power of n equals x. To find our answer, we take the reciprocal of both sides. If you flip the fraction on the left side, you must also flip the variable on the right side. 1 over 2 to the power of n rotates back up to become 2 to the power of n. The x on the right rotates to become 1 over x. This gives us our result. 2 to the power of n equals 1 over x. Looking at the exam question, this is an exact match for option A. A very common mistake is assuming a negative exponent means the final answer should have a minus sign in front of it. Options B and C try to trick you with this logic, so we cross them out immediately. Exponents strictly control the position of the number, whether it belongs on the top or bottom of a fraction. They do not change the positive or negative value of the number itself. Let's test the algebra with real numbers. Setting n to 3, our equation becomes 2 to the power of negative 3. That evaluates to 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1 over 8. In this scenario, x equals 1/8. Now we apply the flip. If x is 1/8, then the reciprocal, 1 over x, is simply 8. If we look back at our base, 2 to the positive third power also equals 8. The mechanics line up perfectly. Now it is time to test yourself. Please read Quick Quiz 1 on the screen. If 3 to the power of negative m equals y, find 3 to the power of m. Pause the video now and solve this. Remember to use the upside-down reciprocal rule we just practiced. Let's animate the flip. 3 to the power of negative m turns into a fraction. When we take the reciprocal of both sides, 3 to the power of m equals 1 over y. Option C is the correct answer. Abstract variables like n, x, or y operate under the exact same laws as standard numbers. When you trust the mechanics, the variables stop being confusing. Look at Quick Quiz 2. This time we go in reverse. If 5 to the power of p equals k, find 5 to the power of negative p. Flipping a positive exponent creates a negative one, which means we must take the reciprocal of the other side. The answer is 1 over k. Check out Quick Quiz 3. Let's calculate a final value using concrete numbers. If 4 to the power of negative 2 equals z, find z. 4 to the power of negative 2 turns into 1 over 4 squared. 4 squared is 16, leaving us with 1 over 16, which is option D. Take a screenshot of this cheat sheet box. It maps out the exact shortcut. If a to the power of negative m equals k, then a to the power of m equals 1 over k. You have mastered this rule. For more past WAEC, NECO, and JAM questions, complete with step-by-step breakdowns, visit QandAhelp.com. Once you know the underlying reciprocal rule, an algebraic riddle turns into a simple mathematical inversion. It gives you an immediate speed advantage on test day. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.